I am saying to you that you have learned in last classes structure of atom, but today I am saying to you about what is the difference between Mendelic periodic table and modern periodic table. There are two periodic tables available in all over worlds: Mendelic periodic tables and modern periodic table. The Mendeleev have selected the all kinds of elements atomic number, but modern periodic table, no, I am so sorry, I am saying to you again, the Mendeleev have helium, hydrogen and the many kind of the elements. They have separated in periodic table atomic weight, but modern periodic table have to the difference quality. They have the all elements selected on atomic weight. I am saying to you, you will also understand about the what is the difference between atomic weight and atomic number. As you know, that is nucleus. Nucleus have two neutron and proton. Proton positive charge and neutron is neutral. But I am saying to you, out orbit electron minus charges electron. The total number of, if I write here, atomic number of plus इलेक्ट्रॉन, यानी प्रोटॉन की जितनी संख्या होती है उतनी इलेक्ट्रॉन की होती है. I am saying to you that you will write here the total number of proton and total number of electron. Nucleus, I am saying to you, you will understand about the what is atom. Atom is smallest particle of any matter. That is called atom. And also you know about two proton and electron. The total number of electron and total number will be equal. They will be never change. And proton and neutron always stand in nucleus. न्यूक्लियस हिंदी के जो छात्र होंगे उनके लिए नाभिक कहा जाता है. एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑलवेज मूव इन ओन ऑर्बिट, बट दैट विल बी डिपेंड हाउ टू मूव इन ओर ऑर्बिट. द साइंटिस्ट नील बोरबरी provide a formula 2n square. What is 2n square? 2 is common, n is number of orbit, and number of orbit will be square. So we can say here the first orbit of any atom have to multiply by 1 square equal to 2. Only 2 only 2 electron can be provided in the first orbit. And number second, you also understand about the law of Borberi, the second orbit. I write here 2 into multiply by second orbit square. Now here we can write 2 to the 4 and multiply by 2, and you can see here 4 to the 8. Only 8 electron can be related in second orbit. May be possible. There are many problems they have not accepted, but 100% accept, 90% accepted. We can see here calcium element, they will be live in my bone, my body. They have to how many electron and what is the arrangement, how many electron, how to move in own orbit. And potassium, I am saying to you, you will also understand about the potassium. The potassium, the Borberi law will be felt at this time. That is called how to arrangement. This will be at a, it will be depend on your thinking. And I am saying to you, you have to the perfect knowledge of chemistry. First time I am saying to what is chemistry. Chemistry is the subject of science in which you will understand about the how many kind of the chemical reaction they will be situated, related with you in universe. Chemi plus history. Chemi means Roman word. In Hindi, Kali Mitti. History means in Hindi, इतिहास. काली मिट्टी का इतिहास, that is called chemistry. That word I have taken from Roman because chemistry, काली मिट्टी का इतिहास, that is called chemistry. And you will write in English chemistry, CHE. Why write you? That is called chemistry. And I am saying to you, you will learn with hard working. There are no substitute way. If your friend saying to you, you will suffering from short way, you will never find good way. Thank you very much. And tomorrow I will show you how to find atomic number and atomic weight, and what is the difference between atomic number and atomic weight. Thank you so much.